Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing another unboxing, and it's another unboxing to do with Roscoe. Yes, if you remember last month I started a subscription box for him. One of the toys I got in it was this. I said I didn't think this would last very long. It's been a month and it's still in one piece. He does play with it quite frequently, and he's currently on the couch at the side of me, but yeah, it's still here, it's still in one piece, and he does love playing with this. The other toy we got out of it is like a knotted rope, and it was like a three-pronged thing. And the day after, and this is the one I said that would last, and the day after I opened it, it was like this. We had this kind of thing sticking out from here, and from here. I thought this looked in a really good strong toy. Yeah, he destroyed it, but he still loves playing with it. So I'm going to pass it over to him and he can go and play now. And we'll get on to the subject of this month, and it's Buster Box once again. And this, as I say, is all for Roscoe. Okay, just because I give it to you doesn't mean to say you can destroy everything. So let's open up and see what we get. Well, first of all, we get a squeaky toy in the shape of a bone. We get another rope toy with a ball on it, and we get another toy which is a peanut butter antler. Now, I will say I got in contact with Buster Box and I explained about the rope toy, and they said they will put another toy in for me this month. So I don't know which one it would be, but that's that. And I've also notified them about these videos going up. So each month I will put a video, a link, and send it to them so that they can see what I've put. And yeah, I'm still paying for them, but thank you to Buster Box, I have a discount on these. I'm not paying the full amount. It's not much of a discount. Instead of paying £29.99, I think it is, I'm paying £24.99 from now on. So I'm getting about a fiver off, which, hey, I'm grateful for that. I wasn't asking for it, but these videos have helped in some way promote them, and they are happy to give me a discount because of it. Then I am very happy to accept. I am not, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm going to send the link to this, and if they would like to sponsor videos, then please let me know. And also, what you're going to get is my honest opinion of these. Now, personally, I don't like tennis balls for dogs. This lining can come off and irritates the palate, but you know, it's going to be one of these I can actually throw a bit without using a launcher. So we may use this for when we're out outside and throwing the ball. I'm not going to let him chew on this one, so I've got to be really careful with this. But I know a lot of people like selling tennis balls. Personally, I've heard a few different people having trouble with these, as I say, this coating coming off and irritating the dog's palate. and I don't particularly want to run the risk of that. It's not something I would actually go out and buy, but I am grateful that they have sent me an extra toy. This I know he's going to love. I do have another kind of bone in the same vein. Bear with me. This is one I bought from one of the shops in Wigan. It's one he plays with quite a bit. Sorry, I just had to lean over and pick it up off the floor. This one, this is not part of the Buster box at all. This is one I bought in a shop in Wigan. Or was it in Pemberton? I can't remember. But it's a shop bought one. But he does like this. So I know full well he's going to like this. This one squeaks. The other one I bought from the shop doesn't. And he's already got his eye on it. Haven't you? Hey? You know what? Yeah, take the thingy off. There we go. He's always wary of new toys and new things like that. But there we go. He's got it. He can play with it. He will enjoy that. He's gone over to his bed now and he's got it, so he's going to have a play. So we have the antler, peanut butter antler. We have the ball. We have that bone. I'm going to take this off as well, and I can throw this over to him. Well, he's there. There you go. And next thing we have is the 3 packs of treats. Now in the Buster box, what you'd normally get is a toy and some treats. I pay for an extra toy, so that's why I get 2 toys. Usually, I've heard that we get 3 packs of treats. I'm sure that's right. I've only got 2, but you know what the heck? We have chicken and kiwi bites, and we have chicken tender strips. Now I don't know whether Roscoe will sort of like play along here, but Roscoe, come here. Come here. As you can see, he's been destroying things. So let's try him with, first of all, the chicken tender strips. Now then, let's see what these are like, shall we? So we've got this kind of thing. It looks like a slice of some processed ham, but it's a chicken strip. It says on the bag, grain and gluten-free recipe, no artificial colours or flavouring, it's all natural. It's 83% chicken, potato starch, pea protein, vegetable glycerin and sorbitol, whatever that may be. But yeah, let's see what he thinks of it. There you go. And he's gone. He'll go and take that, and he will, he'll go and take that and he will destroy it over in his bed. But there we are. That's the, let me come down a little bit. There we are. That's the back. That's all the information I have on this. I'm struggling at the moment to read because I've not got my reading glasses on. But that's the back of this pack. And now we have the chicken and kiwi bites. Again, grain and gluten-free recipe. And that's what it says on the back. And he's back over here again, so he must have eaten the chicken. So let's see what he thinks of these, shall we? Let's angle this round so we can see what he thinks. Come here. Come here. Come on. Over here. And We'll have a look at this, see what kind of things they are. These are bites, so I think these will be little chunks. Oh, they're not as little as I thought. Again, these look very similar, but then again, it's chicken, so that it's not going to be wildly different, is it? But this is chicken and kiwi. There you. What do you think of that? And he's off. He'll come back in a second. Yeah. So this area here is his little corner where he keeps most of his toys. We haven't got a box as yet for them. There's a few other bits and pieces stored over there, but yeah, at the moment we're a little bit in chaos. But yes, that is our monthly delivery of Buster Box. Once I've edited the video and uploaded it, I will forward the link to them to the videos, and they can see what I think of them. But overall, I'm very happy with what they've sent. Mainly, but the thing is, it's Roscoe that needs to be happy, and it looks as though he is. You're waiting for another treat, aren't you? He's just sat looking at me, looking at the packs of treats, and looking at me, looking at the packs of treats. Go on, you can have another one of these tender strips, chicken strips. There you go. There you go. Right, so that's what we have. That's all we have for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Looking forward to seeing what he thinks of this. I'll take that off. As I say, I'm a bit wary of playing with him as a chew toy or a pull toy or whatever. We have other toys for that. This one I think I'm just going to take out with him and throw when we're on walks, so they can retrieve it and bring it back, and that's that. But it looks as though you're happy. That's all that matters. Let's just show you his little face again. Roscoe, where are you going? Why is it you always go away? Come on, come here. Come here. So here he is. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good boy. See? Oh, good. I didn't realise the camera had sagged then. So, yeah. Give you a couple more of these. I'll give you another one of these bites. You're a good boy. You're my good boy. You're happy, aren't you? You're happy with them. I don't think it'll take you too long before you've destroyed one of the toys, because that's his modus operandi. He does like destroying things, whether it's his toys or not. But never mind. Part of your charm, isn't it, sweetheart? Right, so he's just turned 9 months old. Last week, I think it was. What date is it? I don't know. I can't remember. It was last week or the week before when he turned 9 months old. So he's still young yet. We're looking for training for him. But, you know, we have to keep putting up. What have you got there in your mouth? We're going to have to keep putting up with certain things and trying to stop him doing stuff. But he's got his own mind. Anyway, that's it for this video. Let's come back to the tabletop. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.